Hair shapes our identity and confidence, so hair loss can feel devastating. Millions worldwide struggle with thinning hair, often feeling frustrated by ineffective solutions. Causes range from genetics and hormones to stress and illness, making a universal cure elusive. Many spend heavily on products that promise results but rarely deliver lasting change. Treatments can be inconvenient or come with side effects, forcing tough choices between hair and health. The emotional impact is real, fueling the urgent search for a better answer. Imagine a treatment that helps your body regrow natural, strong hair, without harsh chemicals or daily pills. Scientists have long chased this dream, seeking a breakthrough that works with the body, not against it. Now, a team of researchers may have found a promising new solution in an unexpected place. This discovery could change everything for those struggling with hair loss. The journey for a real, lasting fix may finally be reaching a turning point. Let's explore this exciting new development. Could the answer to hair loss be simpler than we ever imagined? Scientists at Northwestern University have developed a revolutionary DNA sugar gel. This isn't a dessert topping, it's a powerful tool to reactivate sleeping hair follicles. The gel combines a special sugar molecule with engineered DNA, delivering precise instructions to skin cells. When tested on mice, the gel triggered rapid, thick hair regrowth. What sets it apart? It's made from materials naturally found in our bodies, reducing the risk of irritation. Instead of forcing unnatural changes, the gel gently signals skin cells to resume healthy hair growth. Years of research in supramolecular chemistry led to this elegant, bio-friendly solution. The sugar-based design means our bodies recognize and accept it, making it safer than harsh chemicals. This breakthrough could mark a new era in hair loss treatment. A simple gel, working in harmony with our biology, may finally offer real hope. Let's see how it works. Think of hair follicles as seeds in your skin, often dormant, not dead. The DNA sugar gel acts like a wake-up call and fertilizer, creating the perfect environment for growth. Its moving DNA and sugar components deliver vital protein signals deep into the skin. These signals reach stem cells in the follicles, telling them to start building new hair. The sugar anchors the proteins while the DNA drives the message, an efficient team. This approach uses regenerative medicine, helping the body repair itself naturally. Unlike harsh treatments, the gel boosts the skin's own ability to regrow hair. It bridges communication between cells, restoring the hair-growing environment. The result? Dormant follicles are reactivated, and hair grows back thicker and healthier. This natural, inside-out solution sets the DNA sugar gel apart. It's not just covering up hair loss, it's helping the body truly fix it. The science is promising, but does it really work? Let's look at the test results. To test the gel, scientists used mice bred for hair research. They applied the DNA sugar gel to bald patches and compared it to standard treatments and a placebo. The results were remarkable. Within 2 weeks, mice treated with the gel showed rapid, thick hair regrowth. The new hair was stronger and the skin looked healthier than with other treatments. Microscopic analysis revealed more active, larger follicles and increased stem cell numbers. The gel didn't just grow a few hairs, it regenerated the entire hair-growing environment. While mice aren't humans, their skin biology is similar, making these results very encouraging. The experiment proved the gel could trigger the body's own regenerative powers. This success has generated real excitement among scientists and those affected by hair loss. Could this be the breakthrough we've been waiting for? Here's what it could mean for the future. The DNA sugar gel stands out from current treatments, which often require daily use and only manage symptoms. This gel aims to repair the hair-growing environment, potentially offering longer-lasting results. Experts are optimistic, calling it a game-changer for targeting dormant stem cells directly. The next step is human trials to ensure safety and effectiveness, a process that takes time. If successful, this treatment could become available in a few years. For millions frustrated by limited options, this breakthrough offers real hope. It's a leap toward reversing hair loss, not just managing it. The future of hair regrowth looks brighter than ever. We may soon say goodbye to ineffective fixes and hello to a simple, science-backed solution. The DNA sugar gel could finally make natural hair regrowth a reality.